Okay, so git detect submodules controls whether to automatically detect git submodules. If you don't know what a submodule is essentially a git repository inside another git repository, and that's called a submodule. So here's the thing. This setting, I wish that this information was on this settings description, but this setting is only relevant if you set auto repository detection to false. Okay, because if you have auto repository detection to true, it's going to detect submodules either way. Okay, so we have a project here, and I just added a submodule to that, and we have everything set to true. So if we add this project, we're going to have the VS Code settings repository and the JSON diff repository, and this one is a submodule. So if you want to set this to false, meaning you don't want auto repository detection, which you should because it's a cool thing, then only if you set this to false does this setting actually do anything, right? So if you set detect submodules to true, when you add, it's going to happen the same thing, but I'm going to do it anyway. It's going to detect the submodule. If you set this to false, it will not. So when you add it again, it's just showing the main repository, right? So this is what the setting does, but if you set auto repository detection to true, it doesn't do anything. It's always going to be detected. So yeah, that's what this setting does.